Hi guys, so I haven't done a shopping haul video for a really long time, so this is our weekly shopping. I think it's altogether 6 bags, but yeah, it's weekly shopping and a lot of milk. But there was another reason why I picked up the camera, and that's because if you can't do anything, just do one thing that you wouldn't do normally. So I bought basil and I'm gonna plant it next to these sunflowers. Just one thing. There you go. They're all in there now. And we have basil for my own tiny garden. Yeah, that's our tiny garden. And there's the girl who keeps mummy on her toes. Yes. So, see you later guys. Bye.